Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking your phone model and OS so you know which menu to use. Open Settings and go to About to confirm. Once done, make sure the battery is above 20% to avoid interruptions, and connect to Wi-Fi if downloads are required. If an option requires developer tools, enable developer options briefly. Tap build number 7 times, then return to settings. You're now ready to locate the display or system UI controls that control the battery icon. You next navigate to Display or Quick Settings Customization to change the icon. Some phones place battery options under Status Bar or System UI. Toggle Show Battery Percentage to add numbers, or select an icon style if the manufacturer offers choices. If the stock OS won't allow the look you want, install a reputable customization app and grant the minimal permissions it requests. Once the new setting is applied, pull down the status bar to confirm the change visually, and note how it behaves during charging. To finish, restart the phone so all UI changes take full effect. You'll often see the new icon immediately after reboot. Make sure to revoke any extra permissions you granted to customization apps and remove ones you don't trust. If the icon still refuses to change, clear the Settings app cache or reset system UI preferences in apps. This usually resolves conflicts. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to isolate third-party interference. If the icon appears there, uninstall the offending app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.